125 grams of purslane, 12 medium to big strawberries sliced. If you have small strawberries, you can put 25 strawberries. I left 3 additional strawberries just for decoration. Here I have Parmesan cheese cut into slices, around 100 grams. Half a cup of toasted almond and cut in half. 50 grams of rucola or small rocket. So first I'm gonna put the purslane. Then I'm gonna add the rocca. I'm gonna mix them together. Then I'm going to place the strawberries. Lastly, I'm gonna put the Parmesan cheese. I'm just gonna put the strawberries here in the middle for decoration and add the almonds on top. Wonderful. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard. It all depends on, you know, how you would like the sauce to be. I'm gonna put just 1. 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, salt and pepper. And I'm using Himalayan salt, which is good for us, and a bit of pepper. I'm gonna mix the sauce very well. Now it's up to you. You can present the salad as it is and leave the sauce on the side, or you can pour it on top. Here I'm gonna leave it on the side. صحتين.